People-pleasing. Always trying to make others happy. She has a people-pleasing habit. People-pleasing can make you tired. Soft-spoken. Speaks gently. The nurse was soft-spoken and kind. She looks strict, but she is actually soft-spoken. Easygoing. Relaxed, not stressed. She is an easygoing friend who never fights. I try to stay easygoing even when life is tough. Well-spoken. Speaks clearly and nicely. The teacher is well-spoken and easy to understand. He became well-spoken after daily English practice. Hardworking. Works with effort. She is a hardworking student. My dad taught me to be a hardworking person. Well-dressed. Wearing nice clothes. He always comes to office well-dressed. Even on lazy days she stays well-dressed. Quick thinking. Able to think fast. His quick thinking saved the situation. A quick thinking person can solve problems faster. Open-minded. Ready to accept new ideas. I like open-minded people who don't judge. She stayed open-minded during the discussion. Well-behaved. Polite and calm. The kids were well-behaved at the party. A well-behaved student makes teaching easy. High-performing. Works very well. It's a high-performing machine. She is a high-performing employee. Attention-grabbing. Catches attention. His bright jacket is attention-grabbing. The ad was attention-grabbing and creative. Good-looking. Attractive. He is a good-looking man. She bought a good-looking phone case. Forward-thinking. Thinks about the future. A forward-thinking person plans ahead. Their company has a forward-thinking strategy. Self-starting. Works without being told. He is a self-starting worker. A self-starting person doesn't wait for reminders. Money saving. Helps you save money. Buying in bulk is money saving. He uses money saving apps. Goal setting. Someone who plans goals. She is a goal-setting person. Goal-setting habits make life easier. Time saving. Helps you save time. Using a dishwasher is time-saving. This shortcut is very time-saving. Energy saving. Uses less energy. I prefer energy-saving bulbs. This setting is energy-saving and helpful. Fast-moving. Moving quickly. He is a fast-moving worker who finishes tasks early. This city is full of fast-moving people. Slow-moving. Moving slowly. The slow-moving line made everyone annoyed. My old laptop is slow-moving today. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.